Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1108 at Chiang Mai Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. To the left, as you enter the room, we have the main power switch, the master light switch. This one is for the wardrobe area, and this is to activate the do not disturb sign. This sliding door, move it and it reveals the wardrobe area. So we have the luggage rack right there, hangers right above together with the bathrobe. We do have the ironing board right there. Excuse my bag. And down there we have the in-room slippers, all the laundry stuff, drawers, shelves, the in-room safe. The iron is right there. And right above, we have more storage area. Now, if we move the sliding door back, before that, on the sliding door itself is a mirror. Hello. Welcome to Chiang Mai Marriott Hotel. But yeah, the sliding door also acts as the door to the bathroom. So there we have hooks, another bathrobe, the bin, toilet, handheld bidet, toilet rolls, a stool. Down there we have towels, hairdryer right there, more towels right there. We have glasses, bottles of water, the sink. Here we have all the bathroom amenities, box of tissues, USB-A ports, a power outlet, shelves, shaving mirror, another mirror. Hello. There we have the bathtub, a window looking into the bedroom, but if you want more privacy, you can always close the blinds. Here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the rain shower right above and the handheld shower right there. And we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel right there. We have the bath mat down below. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. There we have the light switches for the bathroom, climate control panel. We have the bed right there. It does look quite comfortable. On the left bedside table, we have storage, a couple of light switches, a universal power outlet, the standard Thailand power outlet, USB-C and USB-A ports. We have a light right there, a reading light right here. There's also a light strip behind the headboard. Right opposite, we have the pantry area with snacks, the kettle. Here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but I think you can still put your own items in there. Right here we have glasses, tea and coffee making stuff, tissues, cups and whatnot. Right above, we have more glasses, more bottles of water, a power outlet off to the left. We have the minibar menu right there. The TV remote with the TV guide beneath it. Another power outlet down there. And the TV is a flat screen Samsung unit. There we have the desk chair with the desk area. We have a dual bin setup down there. So we have the regular waste to one side and the recyclable waste to the other side. There we have more light switches, more power outlets, and more USB-A and USB-C ports with a bit of surface storage right there. The sofa area is in the middle, and to the left we have the spa menu and elephant structure. On the right bedside table we have more storage, writing materials, the in-room telephone, an iHome alarm clock. I think that's also a Bluetooth speaker. And there we have more power outlets, light switches, and USB ports. We have another reading light right there, and another light right there. As for the view, I do get the areas surrounding the hotel, but I also do get the mountain view in the distance. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1108 at Chiang Mai Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.